So how do you fix a busy photo? What is a busy photo? Stick around. I'm going to teach you. Let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to NTLP. My name is Nick, and this is the place to be for everything landscape photography. All right, before I jump into this today's video, if you can hop down there, hit that little red subscribe button. It's just underneath the video. Just tap it, just click it. Yeah, we'd love to have you here. We have so much fun, tons of fun. I teach you everything about landscape photography, so do that. While you're down there, maybe consider hitting that like, share, and maybe even that bell notification. It'll let you know when I upload my next video. Also, follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. All right, so what is a busy photo? My definition for a busy landscape photo is something that distracts the eye from what you're trying to portray. So we're going to do this in two steps here. Very simple, very easy. Anybody can do it. So, all right, so let's hop over to Lightroom here. So we're going to pull up this photo I took in Canmore, Alberta. I'm just using this as an example because there's this family with 3 dogs here, and it is an easy remove. So, all right. So for this photo, let's just check here. I'll get this peak here right on this point. That looks okay for now. Just gonna throw a quick auto edit over. When you're happy with your photo, all the adjustments that you made within Lightroom, everything looks good to you. Your next step is you're gonna wanna come down to what I like to call your slides, I guess. Your overview of all the photos that you took. The one that you're currently working on will be highlighted in this light gray right here, and I'll have these little icons on it. So what you want to do is you want to right click and then edit in Photoshop 2021, and then it's just going to do its thing. It's going to load up Photoshop and it's going to pop up right there. So fantastic. All right, next step, very easy. You're going to come over to your toolbar here. You're going to see right underneath the eyedropper, it should be there. It's called the Spot Healing Brush Tool. Now, if you right click on it, you're going to have the Spot Healing Brush Tool, Healing Brush Tool, Patch Tool, Content Aware Move Tool, and Red Eye Tool. So for this instance, for landscapes, if you're just starting out and you want to remove like a rock, or in this case, people and dogs from your scene, this Spot Healing Brush Tool is the way to go. So we bring that, or click on that, make sure it's highlighted, maybe bring the brush size up just a little bit. Let's zoom in and just start clicking. Gone. One dog is gone. Let's get rid of this guy here. Gone. Let's get rid of these dogs here. Gone. Let's get rid of this dude here. Gone. Let's get rid of this dog over here. Gone. These people here. Gone. Simple as that. Quick, easy little Photoshop, Lightroom and Photoshop tool that I use for sure, just to get rid of unnecessary busy things within your photo. Mind blown, I know, right? Photoshop, it's a wonderful thing. You can even go way further. I believe that is a bench in the background. Gone. Oh, there's still some more people over here. They're gone. All right. So, I mean, that tool is amazing, especially if you just want to quickly get rid of people, get rid of rocks, get rid of whatever that you might want to get rid of. Quick, easy, easy, easy. Just a simple click, just like this. Boom, gone. Photoshop does it for you. How cool is that? All right, guys. So that is a quick tutorial on how to use the spot healing brush tool. If you got anything from this video, maybe consider subscribing. Just hit that little red button underneath the video. It says subscribe. Click it. Come join the NTLP family. We'd love to have you. So while you're down there, maybe consider hitting that like, share, and bell notification. It'll let you know when I upload my next video, which is every Wednesday and Sunday. Also, follow me on social media. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. All right, guys, I'm going to leave it at that. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.